If an agent says, look, you're getting a 6% dividend rate, that's not true. 6% dividend rate is not what you're actually earning. I wish that was true. You want to refer to the IRR, which stands for internal rate of return. I'm going to choose one company as an example. MassMutual's current dividend rate is at 6%. If designed correctly, your average IRR might top out at 4.5 on average over time. With annual IRR, it could top out at 5%, assuming 6% dividend rate is being held forever. But you won't see 6% earning rate. Let me show you proof. This client is paying $100,000 for 7 years. Any years after that, he's not paying a single penny. He breaks even on year 5. What do you notice on the average IRR? Do you see 6%? No. What do you notice on annual IRR? Do you see 6%? No. For transparency, this is where I got my number. I designed these policies. He breaks even on year 5. Same thing. This is exactly where I got the numbers. If you want to see the average IRR, this is where I got the numbers, right over here. So if ever a life insurance agent says you're getting a 6% dividend rate, ask them to show you an annual IRR and an average IRR with proof. My name is Chue. Follow me for more tips.